Oh yes, honey. Super quick. Oh, whoa, brakes. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are going to make a Tater Tot Tofu Casserole. Tater Tot Tofu Casserole. Tater Tot Tofu Casserole. I really like this dish. I've made it about 3 or 4 times, and it's a great vegetarian option for egg and tater tot casserole. Instead of egg, we're using tofu, and tater tots are my favorite. So of course I love this dish so much. It is pretty easy. We just have to grill some of our ingredients, and then we mix it all together. Put the tater tots in, put the mixture in, and then stick it in the oven. It'll be very quick. And I know everyone out there loves very quick meals. All right, well, let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I've gotten a lot better, let me tell you. I have created a content calendar. I am putting stories almost every day, and I am putting pictures on my feed very much more often. But yeah, go check it out, and you guys can see me more on there than here on YouTube, which is only every other Wednesday, as compared to practically almost every day on Instagram. So here are the ingredients to make the Tater Tot Tofu Casserole. 1 small onion diced, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 red bell pepper chopped, half a cup of mushrooms sliced, 1 cup of baby spinach, 1 pound of extra firm tofu, drained and squeezed to remove excess liquids, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cayenne, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. You can also add red chili flakes if you like, cheddar cheese, and frozen tater tots. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is heat up our pan on medium-high. Oh, whoa, brakes. The first thing we need to do is turn on our oven to 350. Once that is done, then we come over here to the stove and we heat up our pan on medium-high heat with some olive oil. This is gonna be super quick, I tell you what, super quick. All right, so I am going to dump in my onions and my garlic and my bell peppers. So I am going to continue to let the onions and the bell peppers cook until the onions are translucent, which is about 2-3 minutes usually. A lot of recipes say 5 to 7 minutes, but I don't know. I think it also just depends on the heat, your pan, lots of stuff. So just watch it and make sure they're translucent. So I am now going to add my mushrooms and my spinach. I'm gonna mix it around and wait for the spinach to get wilted and the mushrooms to get a little darker, knowing that they're cooked. And I know this isn't the best view ever. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can fix this camera and its fogginess, please let me know, because it's not pretty and I need it fixed. Plain and simple. I need it fixed. All right, the spinach looks pretty wilted and my mushrooms look like they're getting darker. So now I am going to throw in my tofu and all of my spices. So my turmeric, my cayenne, my cumin, my nutritional yeast, and some pepper and some salt. So I mixed it all very well. You can see here that that's what I did. Now I am going to dump it. We are removing it from, oops, that spilled. We are removing it from the heat. All right, now I am just going to dump in some of my cheese, Not all of it, because we will be putting cheese on top. And I'm gonna mix it in, get it all melted. I have more cheese. Should I put more cheese here? I think I should. I'm just gonna put all this cheese, and then I'll sprinkle some more cheese on top. Oh no, you didn't prep enough cheese. Now it is time to assemble. So let's get out our nifty difty casserole pan and our beautiful, beautiful tater tots. And we're just gonna pour them all in. Oh yeah, I like a lot of tater tots. You guys might not want as many. That's totally up to you. It is your dish and you can do it however you like. And then we just dump this on over. Oh yes, honey. That looks good. This is art right here, I tell you what. Next step, sprinkle some more cheese on top. And now we are gonna throw this bad boy in the oven for 30 minutes. It is done and it smells very good. I'm very excited for this. So let's get our spatula and let's get a chunk of this. I like eating these things with not a fork, with a spoon. With a spoon, because then you just like scoop. It's like a shovel. Just eating it right up. So, time to taste it. Ooh, it's gonna be hot. It's hot. You can only tell that it's tofu when it's like bigger chunks. So if you don't really want to taste tofu too much, make sure that you are crumbling it pretty small. But Lord, this is good. Also, if you want more of a kick, you could add more cayenne. You could add chili flakes. You could do many things to spice it up. Oh, also you could just add hot sauce to it. A healthy take on tater tot casserole. It's tofu instead of egg. You have turmeric, you have vegetables, spinach, mushroom, onion, bell pepper. You have nutritional yeast, which is pretty good for you. And these tater tots are the best for you. So good. So can't go wrong with this. Super easy, super quick, and you have 30 minutes of downtime after you saute everything and mix it all up. So this dish is definitely worth it, and I hope you guys try it out at home. If you do, tag me, let me know. I would love to see you guys trying this. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every other beautiful Wednesday morning when I post new videos like this one. I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye.